Hey, what's up, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G, man. I got a package in the mail for my Honda engine. You know what I'm saying? I gotta show y'all this. Y'all heard? Whoo! Yo, look at this. Look at this, yo. This is nice. Oh man, I can't wait to put this on. I can't wait to show y'all how I do this. You know what I'm saying? This right here, and I have my tools right here. Not tools, but this is like the screws to install it, and I'm definitely going to show you how to do this, man. I can't wait, yo. I want to give a shout out to College Hill Hondas for the part, you know what I'm saying? And I'm glad I ordered it from them, and it shipped fast too. You had to pay the shipping fee and all that, but it's worth it, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to y'all. Much love. Y'all heard? So yeah, man, this is the brackets, this is the bolts that goes into the engine and stuff like that. I'm just showing you. This is a stud right here, the bolt stud for the engine cover, and this is the brackets, the two brackets and the bolt that goes to the engine, and then also these are the two bolts that goes on top of the engine cover, which I'm gonna show y'all in the video. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, this is an engine right here. The cover's gonna go right in this area. You know what I'm saying? And all the tools you really need is a wrench, 10mm bolt, and 14mm bolt, and I'm gonna show you what it is right now. You know what I mean? So as you can see right here, I am installing the stud right next to the oil cap, like with the oil stickers and stuff like that. And you gotta make sure that you're using a 14mm, so that way you can just tighten it. And then this part, I am installing a bracket on the left side and on the right side, as you can see. And yes, it is fast forwarding because I don't want to waste too much time. And also I am using a wrench to tighten it too as well, the 10mm wrench, you know. And also, if you notice the bolts, that I'm tightening right now, I lost one of my other bolts. I had to replace both of them, you know. I also had to buy two bigger washers because that's the only thing they had available at Home Depot, you know what I'm saying? So it fits still and it's Gucci, you know what I mean? Now you have to put the engine cover on, but the way you do it is make sure you put this piece on to this part, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna do that right quick. So now the final part is these two bolts that goes in here, you know what I'm saying? But I decided to use my drill instead, so I'm just gonna show you. In this part right here, I am honestly using the drill because I decided not to use the wrench, and I just wanted to speed up the process. I do not like to be slow when it comes to stuff like this, and I just like shortcuts. You heard? I just want to thank everybody for watching my video stuff. It's been a success. It was simple. And honestly, y'all, hit the like button, hit the subscribe and the notification because I got new videos coming soon. You heard? Peace.